Ethula inkulumo yokwemukela ukuqokwa kwakhe uAmad uthe uzogxila kakhulu ekuthumeleni izidingo kubantu alwe nenkohlakalo aqhamuke namasaphusile okusimamisa umnotho wedolobha.
This will be the first priority of this administration. We will seek to make sure that the most basic services are extended to all corners of the city.
Usomlomo womkhandlu iGoli uthi luzoba likhulu uguquko uma bezosebenza ngokubambisana.
What excites me is that we've got an administration that will also honor and respect the office of the Speaker, because when we hold them accountable to tell them to go to Snake Park, Slovo Park, Alexander and all those other Cosmos City, Ivory Park, Diepsloot, I believe that we will join forces, go hand in hand to deliver services to those areas.
Umfelandawonye wamaqembu ahlukene oholwa iDA ubudinga izihlale ezisishiyagalombili ze-Patriotic Alliance ukuze kuvikeleke uDokotela Phalatse ekutheni ke angakhishwa kwesobeyimeya eGoli, kodwa ke iPatriotic Alliance ithi ayisafune lutho oluyihlanganisa neDA.
We don't want the DA. Now they're telling us how bad we were, how bad we are. The Democratic Alliance, and I want to mention them by name. Journalists, follow the advice of the Premier. Read the report. It is the most corrupt party in the history of parties in South Africa.
Undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uyamukele ngezandla ezifudumele imeya entsha yedolobha.
We want to congratulate you. This is your city. Lead us, Thapelo. Leave those that insult you. Lead those that insult all of us, that are carrying a torch on behalf of any other person. You are elected the mayor. We will give you the support until we as a collective decide otherwise.
Uqokwa kaAmad kulandela ukukhishwa kaDokotela Mpho Phalatse ngevoti longabethembi upholi bakhe izolo.